In this part, we are talking about the specialized connective tissues. They are of the following types, as we have seen in the chart before. They can be skeletal tissues, vascular tissues, reticular connective tissue, pigmented connective tissue, and finally the mucoid connective tissue. These are all specialized. For as these have got characteristic feature, characteristic components, and definitely dedicated activities. Let's talk about the skeletal tissue first. These connective tissues form the endoskeleton of the vertebrates. Please understand that there are two types of skeleton. One is the exoskeleton, present at the outer surface of the body, and another one is the endoskeleton, present inside the body at the deep or core body tissues. Exoskeleton is usually made up of chitin in case of insects, and in case of the larger vertebrates, the endoskeleton is visible, the exoskeleton is absent, and it is made up of bones and cartilages. Skeletal tissues are forming the hard parts of the body. It is giving our body a dedicated texture, a specific shape. These support the body, protect the various organs, and help in locomotion. As for example, the cerebral cavity, that is the brain box, protecting the brain lying inside. Then we have the rib cage, which is protecting the important organs of thoracic cavity, namely the thymus, heart, and the lungs. Besides, they also help in locomotion, like we already know. We have 206 bones as well as 639 muscles in different parts of the body, which are going to help us in locomotion. And definitely the bones and muscles are associated with the skeletal structures. The skeletal tissues include cartilage and bone, and to help them we have got muscles.